Hey guys, and welcome back to Alt Menu Sunday, the day in the week in which a new alt menu for RPG Maker MV is released. And today's menu was requested by @BakaAlpaca, and they wanted a menu that looked like this. So as you can probably guess, that's what we have today. If we go into our menu, we'll find, here it is, our new bust select menu. As you can see, instead of having one individual actor info window, we actually have three. The main bust window right here, the HP window with a name, and a side view battler window. And if we go to say the skill and select a different actor, we can see them correspond and change with the other windows also. So using this, you could probably make a pretty amazing, awesome menu for like a game that only has one specific actor. But on the other hand, if it does have multiple actors, still works perfectly. But you may have noticed that if we look right here, Aldo is a little off-center. And we'll learn how to fix that later, but for the time being, let's first learn how to actually set up these bust images for the actors. So to start off, go to your game, open folder. I want you to go to the images folder right here, create a some random dude folder if you don't already had one. Within there, create the menu folder unless you already have it, and then within there, stick all the bust images you wish to use, such as my Aldo image and my other person image, I forgot their name. But anyway, go to the database and go to your actors and use the following note tag, menu bust, and the file name, and that will set it so this actor has that file name as their menu bust. Now if you recall before, Aldo right here was a little off-center. We can fix that using the next note tag, which is menu bust X. And this allows us to set a specific X coordinate for this bust to be. So if we set it to -70, that'll move it more to the left, which means he'll be more centered. We also have the ability to use menu bust Y to set a Y position, menu bust width to stretch the image to a specific width, or menu bust height to stretch the image to a certain height, just in case you need to do that. And we can look into this more when we go into the parameters. As you can see, there are actually a lot of parameters, so let's get straight into it. To start off, show gold window and show side view battler window. Now setting these to false make it so it doesn't show that window anymore. So for example, if we set show gold window to false, that means the gold window will no longer appear, and the same applies to the side view battler window. Since those two windows aren't necessarily vital, and they were not really requested, then it can be left out or placed in as you choose. Furthermore, we can also set the default X and Y position for the bust. If you recall, Aldo's position was set to -70 on the X plane, but if you want to set the default to -70, you can put it right here. Though then you have to switch the other person's bust size to be in a different position to fit them. It's really up to you, but by default you can set it here. So if you have like a whole ton of actors that need to be set in a different default position, you can just do that. You can also manipulate the X and Y width and height of the bust window using this. You can put a number or JavaScript code to make it work. We can also manipulate the maximum columns and maximum visible rows of the command window. You can make so the MP bar and the TP bar are also shown along with the HP bar inside that one window. So if we set these both to true, then we'll have both the MP and TP bar. On the other hand, if we set one to false, one to true, then you'll only be able to see the MP bar and the TP bar. Furthermore, you can also manipulate the HP window width in case you have like a bigger, longer window screen and you want to have it stretch out longer to make it fit, then you can manipulate this number right here. Finally, we also have the ability to manipulate the X and Y position of the side view battler within its window, along with the width and the height of the side view battler window itself. And that's really all for this plugin. Let's go see our results. As you can see, Aldo is now centered into the bust window, while Nina retains her current position, as you see right here. Furthermore, along with the HP, MP and TP have also been displayed within this window, and of course the gold window has been mysteriously invisible because it was removed. And that's all for this alt menu of the week. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like, please be sure to subscribe. If you want to see more alt menus, please leave a comment below. The download link to this alt menu is in the description, so go check that out and be sure to download it and use it. And that's all for this video, until next time.